Akshara, I believe there are some pro-Palestine protests which are happening in the IT capital of the country. Tell us more about these protests. Who are these participants?
Oh, well, you see, large number of citizens and activists have gathered here at MG Road metro station. So, as you can see in the visuals, citizens have formed a human chain here. They're holding placards and also, Palestinian flags which read "The help is near, free Gaza." So, these are the readings which you're getting to see here. You can see people holding candles here. But right now, as you can see in the visuals, people are not letting them, hold this protest, the silent protest that is being held at MG Road metro station. They are taking away the placards and also the Palestinian flags which are being held by the students and the citizens here who have gathered here. So as you can see the visuals, the dramatic visuals that are coming in, the students are being pushed aside and likely to be taken into police custody because the police officials are not allowing them, letting them to hold the silent protest that is being held today. So these are the dramatic visuals that are coming in. So the students and the activists say that this was an informed discussion was supposed to take place here where they are holding placards and also pamphlets are being distributed to the citizens here in Bengaluru who have gathered here, where they claim that they would like to inform the citizens of Bengaluru regarding what is taking place in Palestine. So that's what is taking place here. That was what's supposed to take place here. But right now, police officials who have come here are stating that they have no permission to protest here. So that's the reason why they'll be taking into police custody. They'll be taking them into police custody. But as you can see in the visuals, a large number of people have gathered here in support with the Palestine. So that's what happening here at MG Road metro station here in Bengaluru, where scores of people are gathered here. But right now, as you can see in the visuals, they are being taken into police custody, likely to be taken into police custody. So the idea of these citizens and people who had gathered here is that they wanted to discuss the issue of Palestine and bring awareness about the issue of Palestine here in Bengaluru. So that's what they had to say regarding this. So that's the reason why you're getting to see large number of students, citizens of Bengaluru who had gathered here in support with the Palestinian people. So that's what is taking place here in Bengaluru. But as you can see in the visuals right now, bringing you from the MG Road metro station, the police are not letting them stand here with the placards or Palestine flags. They are asking them to vacate the place right now. So that's what is taking place here in Bengaluru, where groups of citizens, activists have gathered here in solidarity with Palestine.
Absolutely, Akshara and Anshul getting us all the details on that important story. Across the world, these kind of protests have been witnessed while there are various pro-Israel protests, solidarity with Israel protests that have happened. Countries like India have unequivocally come out and supported the cause of Israel. But there are various protests and demonstrations that have happened.